Hi, this is Mr. Walter. Mrs. Bindrich and I are still looking for a few campers to join our Future Authors Camp, which starts next Wednesday the 19th. Last summer, we talked with a radio producer about his craft after he interviewed us for a community story. We hiked through Pike Lake, stopping at various inspirational spots to write. We ate goldfish crackers and drank warm juice together. But most of all, we wrote. Poems, science fiction stories, memoirs about adoption, even rants from the point of view of a rake. You'll have to ask Justin Schmidt about that one. But the point is, we wrote what we loved. Now, I figured that should speak for itself, that we shouldn't need any shameless pandering to get passionate writers to sign up. But now that we're getting close to the registration deadline, it may just be time for some shameless pandering. So, take it from Kermit.
Hi-ho everybody, Kermit the Frog here, reminding you to sign up for the second annual Slinger Future Authors Camp.
Or Elmo.
La 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 la, la 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 la, Writers Camp. La 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 la, la 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 la, Writers Camp. And I write short stories and novels too. That's Writers Camp.
Or even Grover.
It is I, cute, furry, adorable Grover, reminding you to check the school's website for more information and to register. Scholarships are still available.
Anything to add, Ernie?
Writers Camp, you're the one. You make summer so much fun. Writers Camp, I'm awfully fond of you. Bo-bo-bo-dio.